8 years after the nuclear accident at Fukushima Daiichi power plant, a Japanese district court has found 3 former executives of plant operator Tokyo Electric Power Company not guilty of professional negligence.
The trial was the only criminal prosecution stemming from the 2011 nuclear disaster. The Tokyo District Court handed down the ruling on Thursday.
I can't accept the ruling or understand why they were acquitted.
After the accident, public prosecutors chose not to indict the executives, but a civilian judicial panel decided the prosecution should go ahead, and court-appointed lawyers indicted the 3 men in 2016. The executives are Tsunehisa Katsumata, who was TEPCO's chairman at the time of the accident, and 2 former vice presidents, Ichiro Takekuro and Sakae Muto. The judge acquitted them on charges of professional negligence resulting in death and injury. On March 11, 2011, a powerful earthquake triggered a tsunami that swamped the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant, knocking out power and leading to meltdowns in 3 reactors. The focus of the trial had been on whether the defendants could have predicted such a large tsunami and taken measures to protect the plant. The court-appointed lawyers sought 5-year prison sentences for each, arguing that tsunami was foreseeable. The defendants pleaded not guilty. They said the tsunami was impossible to predict and the accident could not have been prevented. TEPCO declined to comment on Thursday's ruling, but apologized to the people affected. The company says it is determined to continue to do its utmost in compensation, decommissioning, and decontamination efforts. People in Fukushima have expressed mixed feelings about the court verdict.
I can't accept that they are not guilty, that they are not responsible.
That tsunami and quake were the root cause of the accident. I don't think that TEPCO is to blame.
Masaka Tsukanno lost his father, who was forced to evacuate from a hospital after the nuclear accident. He reacted to the news with anger.
This ruling is based on the consensus within a closed circle of judges. No matter what the reasons are, the victims, their families, cannot accept such a judgment.
Sakon Uda was the managing director of an independent investigation commission set up by the Diet.
From the general public's perspective, it is frightening to see an organization avoid responsibility simply because they didn't know what was happening.
Uda stressed that TEPCO needed to do more to regain the public's trust.